Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing. Make sure the Tecno has more than 50% battery and you've noted carrier login and Wi-Fi passwords. Once ready, open Settings, tap System, then Reset Options. Choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This clears APNs, saved networks, and paired devices so you can start fresh. Do this now. It's faster than chasing phantom connection issues later. Make sure to save any unsynced info before you proceed, because this action cannot be undone. You confirm the reset and enter your PIN or password when prompted to authorize the change. This prevents accidental resets. The phone will clear stored network settings and then restart automatically. Be patient and let it complete. Once the device boots, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off to force the radio to re-register with the network. This step speeds reconnection and often resolves lingering registration delays, so make sure to perform it immediately after reboot. You finish by re-entering Wi-Fi passwords and, if necessary, manual APN values from your carrier. This restores mobile data. Test the result with a phone call, web browsing, and a speed test to confirm both voice and data. If service is still absent, make sure the SIM is seated correctly and reboot the phone again. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, try the SIM in another phone to rule out a SIM issue before contacting carrier support for network side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.